Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. In this video, we will see the MATLAB code for geometric 2D rotation with animation. So here I have created this script file. You can download this script file from the link available in description. Here the script file contains two sections. The first section is for input the data points. Second section is rotation calculation with animation. In this section, there are two if statements and two for loops are used for clockwise rotation and anti-clockwise rotation. Now we will run this code for triangle. So click on run. Here we have to enter the number of points. So enter here 3. Now we will enter the x coordinate and y coordinate of the triangle. So we enter here 5, 5, 12, 5 and 9, 12 and press enter. Here we have to enter the rotation angle. For counterclockwise rotation we have to enter positive, and for clockwise rotation we have to enter the negative angle. So first we enter here plus 90. So it will generate the animation. Here the red triangle is our original triangle and the green triangle is the rotated triangle, and the new coordinates are available in command window. Here one thing should be noted, that the code is only for rotation about origin point. So the red triangle will rotate about origin of 90 degree. Now we will close this and again we will run this code. Again we will enter the same coordinates. Now here we will enter minus 60 and press enter. So it will generate animation in clockwise direction. So now we will close this. Now again we will run this code. Now this time we will enter the coordinates of pentagon. So we have to enter here 5. Now we will enter the coordinates 5, 5, 12, 5, 14.163, 11.657, 8.499, 15.771, 2.836, 11.657 and press enter. Now we will enter here 180 degree and press enter. So the pentagon will rotate about origin with 180 degree in counterclockwise direction. Now again we will rotate this in clockwise direction. So we'll close this code. Again run this code. Enter the same coordinates. Now we will enter here minus 90 and press enter. So the pentagon will rotate about origin with clockwise direction of 90 degree, and here command window you can find the new coordinates of pentagon. Here one thing should be noticed, that we have to enter the coordinates in this order, either in this order. So with this code you can generate an animation of rotation about origin with any geometry with n number of points. If you have any suggestion regarding this script, you can write in comment section. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to C4CAD.